to my YouTube channel, and in this video we will see how you can make a sign out functionality or logout functionality in Firebase, which is really simple and gonna be really short. So let's just quickly look into it. And before jumping into the Unity, if you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel yet, then do subscribe now and don't miss our future videos because it's gonna be super helpful for you. Without wasting any further time, let's get started. Let's go in Unity. So I will just play my game, and as you can see, my game is already on login because it's auto login, so my login is already saved. So we will just create a sign out button here. Let's just simply create a button, and we will somewhere bring it to the right corner, and 20, maybe 30, yeah, 30 and 30. We will just say as a logout. Okay, and let's just make it a game button. So we will just change the text of the logout. Okay, and we will simply just disable it as of now. Okay, so now we'll go to our Firebase Auth manager, and just near to the login function, which is here, we will create our function of logout. So logout. So before that, first we will check if our auth is not equal to null, and just to be sure, our user also should not be equal to null. Yeah, after that we will simply say auth dot sign out. It's just as simple as that, nothing major. We'll just save it and go back to the Unity. Yeah, we are here. So on this logout button, just add the Firebase auth and the function that we created, logout. Okay, so now if I play the game, yeah, so our game panel is here, and if I, let's say if I just open the game and come back again, right, and if I log out now, it's just signed out, right, but nothing happens. So for handling this case, so what we will do is, on the auth state change function, when we successfully signed out, we will open our login panel, and we will also clear the input field text. So let me create a function for it. And we will call this function here. So I have done this just for the tutorial purpose. You can make it more generic. Yeah, so if I play the game now, so it should open our login screen because I have signed out. So I will type my email ID, and my password. Okay, so now if I log in, and now if I hit to the logout, boom, we are done. That should be working fine. So that was it for this video, guys. In next video we will see how you can update your profile picture. So stay tuned for that video, and soon that is gonna be coming. So if you like the video, hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed the YouTube channel yet, subscribe it now. And also, if you haven't heard about my blog, which is a gamedevsolutions.com, so as you can see on the display as well, so please visit that blog, and hope you will find something helpful for you. Thank you very much.